100% Rayon. Imported. Cleaning wipes for house. Pack and Wipe disposable compressed towels are super absorbent, soft, durable, and ready when you need them. Just add water and watch your cleaning cloths expand for use. Compact road trip essentials. Perfect fishing accessories and car wipes, gentle enough to use as a baby bath towel and compact enough to bring in a travel makeup bag with your travel-size toiletries. A must-have hiking, fishing, and camping towel road trip essential, great for any outdoor mess. Eco-friendly products. Made of 100% FSC Pulp, these natural cleaning towels have no chemicals, additives, perfumes, or inks. Each towel is reusable up to 20 times. Convenient rags for cleaning. Our towels come with a convenient carrying tube for compact storing in backpacks, purses, bags, diaper bags, and suitcases. Each towel expands to 8.5 inches x 11. A company that gives back. The Systems Group Inc., a premier manufacturer of high-quality products serving multiple industries for almost 30 years. Pack and Wipe has proudly supported and given back to organizations dedicated to health, well-being, and women's health. Top reviews from the United States. Sweet. Hey, these are great. They are the size of an Alka-Seltzer tablet. Just a little water made it swell and easy to unfold. Great for camping, travel, the wife's purse, or a few in the glove compartment. These are darn cool. I think the towelette can be used several times before it's tossed, depending on how hard you are on it. I bought these for my sister, who's heading to America for a couple of weeks. I got a pack for our household, too. Great little product.